there are some specific hour that if you pray, your prayer will be answered. Nothing frustrates a believer more than prayer. Do you know that it is only believers that don't know the hours of prayer? That's only believers. The Muslim understand the right time they pray. Miracle can only happen at the right hours of prayer. You cannot conceive miracle at the wrong hour of prayer. Prayer, the Spirit of God does not move. So there is an hour a man ought to pray. There's an hour a believer has to engage himself into prayer.
You are watching Chopping Live TV. The original.